Welcome back to the channel, guys. So let's do our pre-market analysis even today. Today it's Thursday. I hope we can take some trade today because all week it has been no trade. Just shitty price action, range bound, nothing really interesting. So let's get through it, starting from Euro USD. So initially, when I looked at this, which wasn't even, it was kind of not even midnight in New York, and I look at this. I thought it was bullish because we started the day by going up, as you can see, but then fully reversed this, and now coming back up. I thought it was personally. I thought Euro USD was bearish, but now it's completely bullish. We just took out this low right here, which definitely adds some liquidity into it, I guess. And now we are moving higher. So my bias for the day here on Euro USD will be absolutely bullish, and the levels we might want to see taken. You know, the end level we would like to see is, of course, this high right here. I think this is actually possible, but we'll see. And, we'll probably be looking at to find some levels on the, I guess, 1 hour time frame. Let me check. And with market will open at 9:30 as usual. And I also mark the midnight point because that helps me to understand what actually is more important, which is what happened today. So looking at the 1 hour, we can easily figure out what to look for. So yeah, the only thing we can look for right now is actually the test of this order block, which I think is the best thing we can look to. We can look to buy at. I think that's perfect. So if we test this order block, there might be a buy point. Then you also have this one. So that's kind of where we are looking to buy. So those are our levels on Euro USD to buy. While yeah, you could also because it looks a bit too fucking late to buy right now. Like if it comes back all the way right there, that's a bit of a fit of like let's see because it could be a bit too late. But no, I think that's absolutely fine. Now that I see it, no, it's fine. So this is actually where I'm looking to buy for sure. And now let's do USD Let's check this one. So USD is exactly the opposite thing. It was initially bullish, then reverted to bearish fully. So why might that be? Well, I think just because we took out this little level, you know, or even this one. Yeah, not really anything too important, I guess. And but the important thing is that it's going down. You can clearly see this one right here. And so let's check the 1 hour time frame to find our levels where to short at. So we have absolutely this over the block right there. That's looking pretty good. One thing is that this candle doesn't have any wick, but what the fuck cares? We can be scared like that. Okay, so this is the main level we would like to short at. If not, we also have like for value gap up here, and we have another really small order block which you can still consider as such. I need to go into a lower time frame to actually find it and get it done. But no, it's really fucking nothing. You can see that's how shitty that is. Anyway, so use DGPI. Alright, we have our levels to short at. Now we're looking at gold. So, by the way, for forex pairs that I analyzed today, so Euro USD and USD GPI, I don't really know whether we'll get a trade or not because we are already pretty moved a lot. We'll see if we are able to test back on this. If we are, that's perfect short. I hope. Then XAU USD, we're also looking at this, and we are bullish on XAU USD. Started back on down and reverted up. So it might be because we took this for value gap. That's pretty much why it's a 4 hour for value gap. And right now moving higher towards, at least I think this level is not bad. And let's see on the, let's just draw our 50-minute lines, and then we'll get into 1 hour to see what levels we could use those at. So let's just, highlight midnight and 9:30. All right, so 1 hour time frame. Okay, This doesn't look as good, but no, I think it looks still pretty good. We can absolutely buy right here. That is not a bad level at all. So yeah, if we buy about there, that's good. Same thing is kind of right here. Even if it's smaller, I think it's still actually some opportunity. Plus, I do think that that's good to, that is good to have an order block right there. Even if it's not that significant, I'll still track this. Alright, so going down into the 15-minute time frame just to get this where we need them to be. So yeah, just you need just to remember to be bullish USD GPI. No, I'm sorry, bearish USD GPI, bullish XAU USD, and also bullish Euro USD. That's the levels where we are looking to long Tong XAU USD. Those are the levels where we are looking to short at on USD GPI, and those are the levels where we are looking to buy Euro USD. So that's all for today. Let's hope we get a trade and a good one. The goal it's still to just trade perfectly according to strategy. That's how you make real money into this space. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wish you good luck and a good trading day.